everybody, welcome back to the channel. And yes, as you would have gathered, in today's video I'm going to be trying out some of the Turtle Wax Colour Magic Jet Black Spray Polish. I've read the instructions, but I think I'll just give you a brief outline of what the product does, and then we can make a start on the car. Hello everyone, it's VoiceOver Paul here. I'm here to explain to you about Turtle Wax Colour Magic Spray Polish. The product I'm using is a blend of synthetic waxes and black pigmented platelets. The microfine polishing powders reduce the swirl marks, and the black platelets fill in a lot of the marks in the clear coat. The polymer adhesion gives great durability, making sure that the product remains on the car for a good period of time. Basically, you spray it onto the scratch marks of your car, or the swirl marks. It kind of fills it in a little bit and makes the car look beautiful and shiny, really easy with a quick spray and a wipe off. Anyway, now that's been explained, let's go back to the video and pick up where I was before I interrupted you. Right, so as you can see on my car, there's a few scuffs on the actual front bumper. Now I believe this was caused when I was parked up somewhere. And yeah, although it's broken the paint there, what I'm going to try and do is just spray some of this Turtle Wax product on and see if it actually covers the scratches. But the scratches may be too deep, but they do go all the way around here to there. Quite a substantial scratch. If not, I'll just have to buy a new bumper with, yeah, a bigger lip and spoiler on it. Yeah, excellent. Right, so first off, you really have to shake the bowl. That's one of the instructions they give. And what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to do the two sequential applications. And basically this gives you a stronger and deeper black shine. But what you actually do is you spray the area that you need to, let the product dry, and then respray it a second time, and then spread with a soft microfiber cloth, which I've actually got. Turn over, and then obviously just buff dry, and hopefully that'll do some good. Right, I'm shaking it. Help if I will turn it on, won't it, Paul? Like so, just trying to get it over the actual area. Quite good spreadage. Yeah, and one of the things you don't want to do is do it in the sunshine, or direct sunlight I should say, but I'm not doing that. Right, so the product's had a chance to dry, and as per the instructions, what I'm going to do now is respray the area for a second time, spread about with my microfiber cloth, and then obviously turn the cloth over and buff it off. Obviously I've got some on the tyre as well, that should help. Right. But with this product it actually says to do in circular motions, because it works in to the scratch marks that way. So that's what's on the cloth. Let's turn the cloth over. I've got some on the wing as well. Yeah, and as you can see, obviously where the paint's broken through there, it's not fixed, but all of these tiny little scruffs that come across here and there, and although it's not got rid of them, obviously it's actually filled in the clear coat, giving it the impression that the scratches are reduced. But yeah, I'm really pleased with that for a basic product. Only for about £7, it's worked really well. So overall, I'm really pleased with the product, and although you can still see scratch marks on the bumper, it's a vast improvement for the outlay of money. Yeah, so I would definitely recommend this product as something to try on your car. After this, you'll be looking at proper paintwork and perhaps a replacement of the actual bumper itself. Anyway, please like the video if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button if you want to watch more of my videos. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.